In this video, I'll be sharing the different websites where you can earn thousands of dollars per month by playing games. I've made videos on different ways you can make thousands of dollars online by performing tasks. I'll be linking all of that in the description box below. Some of these opportunities are available as a result of digitalization. You are welcome to my channel where I inform, educate, and entertain through a series of creative and valuable content. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. The first website I will be sharing where you can play games and get paid is on swagbucks.com. This is where you join for free. You join swagbucks.com for free. You get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. You earn points and get free gift cards. The next website where you can play games and earn is on weplayholding.com. We play esports. You earn by playing games. This is on weplayholding.com. The next one is on giveling.com, the trivia crowdfunding game. They have over 8 million US dollars funded. How it works is that each trivia player is teamed up with 2 anonymous players. The highest team score takes home the weekly trivia award. This is how it works. You can crowdfund student loans or you play for free. This is at giveling.com. The next website where you can play games and earn is on longgame.co. Win the savings game. This is on longgame.co. One of the websites where you can play games and earn. Play games to win cash and crypto. You can play about 45 plus games in long game, puzzles, slots, arcade, and more. This is on longgame.co. The next website I'll be talking about is mistplay.com. You are welcome to the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers. This is on mistplay.com, one of the websites where you play games and earn. You can discover games you will love and earn rewards for playing them. You play and collect your units. You redeem your rewards. This is on mistplay.com. Next on my list is Buff Game. Buff Game is game for fun and for real. This is on buffgame.com. Make money playing games, a loyalty program that rewards gamers simply for playing. This is buff.game. The next one is on Dazzle. Dazzle is one of the world's leading casual gaming communities. Free online games with real cash prizes. This is on catchdazzle.com. Here comes locktastic.com. You play, win, and redeem. This is locktastic.com, one of the different websites where you can play games and get paid. This one is locktastic.com. Next on my list is 888poker.com. 888poker is made to play with $88 free, no deposit needed. If you want to get started, you click here, 888poker.com, your online poker experience. 888poker.com. The last but not the least website I'll be sharing where you can play games and get Thanks paid for watching. is slingo.com. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, give it a thumbs up. You If are you have not subscribed,
encouraged to
consider
play
doing that.
responsibly.
I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your
You double your
success.
play
Bye-bye.
up to 50 euros for signing up. This is on slingo.com. one of the major websites where you can play games and get paid. They have over 55 million players, and they've been played by over 55 million players from all over the world since 1995. They've won awards for incredible pioneering gameplay. This is on slingo.com.